Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So continuing on with the Elceram Nitride ESC, we're going to look at the protection menu now. I'll just give you a quick run through it, show you what it does, show you what options you've got, and yeah, let's get in for a close-up look, see how we get on with this one. So once again, to get into this menu, it's just a quick press of these two out buttons. So we then just move the menu across till we're on protection, press and hold the edit button. So the first one is the actual voltage warning. So we can change this down all the way to 3.1 volt per cell, and you can go as high as 4.1. For me, I'm just going to leave this at 3.3. Then we've got the actual voltage cutoff. So this one we can go down to 3 volt per cell, and you can have it as high as 4, but you're going to have 0.1 of a cell difference between this and your actual warning. Then we've got the motor limit, so you can raise or lower the actual temperature, and these at the minute are in degrees C. We can go as low as 70. Or we can turn it off, and we've got a maximum of 150. I think mainly it's usually around 105 that these are set to. Now I know some guys racing turn these off because they'd rather kill a motor or an ESC than lose a race, but if we're not racing for mega money, then I think you're better off leaving the protects in place. The ESC limit can go as low as 70. And we can turn it all the way up to 150, but you can't actually turn it off, and the stock setting is 125. So yeah, for me, I'm not a pro racer. I like to have my protects in place, and while I've been playing with this, I better make sure I move the actual voltage warning back to something that I know I want. But yeah, that's what the protects do. It's nice that these are in place, nice that they're adjustable, and again, you can't disable the 150 degrees C ESC limit, but you can disable the motor limit. But that's basically what the protects do. You can turn the voltage one down really low, but yeah, I wouldn't, because you're just going to damage your lipos. But let's wrap this one up. So that's just a quick explanation of what the protection menu does and what the settings are for. Hopefully you find it useful, but it's definitely nice to have some of them protects there. You don't want to be killing a motor and an ESC really, unless you're racing at World Championship level, then I can understand. There's a lot online. If you're just racing at club level, make sure them protects are in place, protect your ESC, your motor, your lipos. But thanks again for watching Wtf Rc Cars. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, share to friends and family, and catch you guys again in the next one.